The Permian-Triassic extinction event about 252 million years ago, which was a prolonged event due to the accumulation of several extinction pulses, ended the dominance of carnivorous therapsids. In the early Triassic, most medium to large land carnivore niches were taken over by archosaurs which, over an extended period, 35 million years, came to include the crocodilomorphs, the pterosaurs and the dinosaurs. However, large cynodonts like Trucidocynodon and Traversodontids still occupied large-sized carnivorous and herbivorous niches respectively. By the Jurassic, the dinosaurs had come to dominate the large terrestrial herbivore niches as well. The first mammals, in Kemp's sense, appeared in the late Triassic epoch, about 225 million years ago, 40 million years after the first therapsids. They expanded out of their nocturnal insectivore niche from the mid-Jurassic onwards. The Jurassic Castorocauda, for example, was a close relative of true mammals that had adaptations for swimming, digging and catching fish. Most, if not all, are thought to have remained nocturnal, the nocturnal bottleneck accounting for much of the typical mammalian traits. The majority of the mammal species that existed in the Mesozoic era were multituberculates, eutriconodonts and spalacotheriids. The earliest known metatherian is Cynadelphes, found in 125-million-year-old early Cretaceous shale in China's northeastern Liaoning province. The fossil is nearly complete and includes tufts of fur and imprints of soft tissues. Quote, "The oldest known fossil among the Eutheria, true beasts, is the small shrew-like Duramia sinensis, or Jurassic mother from China, dated to 160 million years ago in the late Jurassic. A later Eutherian relative, Eomia, dated to 125 million years ago in the early Cretaceous. Possessed some features in common with the marsupials but not with the placentals. Evidence that these features were present in the last common ancestor of the two groups but were later lost in the placental lineage. In particular, the epiphubic bones extend forwards from the pelvis. These are not found in any modern placental, but they are found in marsupials, monotremes, other nontherian mammals and Acartherium, an early Cretaceous animal in the Eutherian order Aciorictotheria. This also applies to the multituberculates. They are apparently an ancestral feature, which subsequently disappeared in the placental lineage. These epiphubic bones seem to function by stiffening the muscles during locomotion, reducing the amount of space being presented, which placentals require to contain their fetus during gestation periods. A narrow pelvic outlet indicates that the young were very small at birth and therefore pregnancy was short, as in modern marsupials. This suggests that the placenta was a later development. One of the earliest known monotremes was Teinolophos, which lived about 120 million years ago in Australia. Monotremes have some features which may be inherited from the original amniotes, such as the same orifice to urinate, defecate and reproduce, cloaca, as lizards and birds also do. And they lay eggs which are leathery and uncalcified.